What's good? It's X, and it's been a while since I posted a video. If you are seeing this video right now and you see a thumbnail, you know what's going down. But I got this. Any guesses on what it is? I think I know what it is, but this is a really cool thing to get, especially because this is something that I've wanted for so many years, and it's honestly something that I never thought I would get. So let's get right into this. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ooh. Alright. So, open this up and it says you get a little card. It says, congrats on your subscriber milestone. Yo, this is all pretty cool. Like, this is just something that I literally never thought would, like, ever happen. And just, like, out of nowhere, I was at 100K. So, it's pretty cool. And then, after that, you get this message right here. It's the same thing for everybody. Because like, a couple of my friends have these now, and yeah, it's literally the same copy and paste message. But it is still pretty cool to get this though. Like, I'm gonna frame this. It's nice. And then, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yo, see how this packaging. Oh my, you can see the reflection. Oh my goodness. This is quite literally probably the coolest thing that I've ever got. This is awesome. I mean, it's not that big, but honestly, this is sick. Oh my goodness. Yeah, man, got me the 100K, and hopefully this is first of many. And this video is really just kind of like the new beginning, I want to say, because right here, all this represents is the start of this YouTube journey that I'm about to go on. And I hope you guys enjoy every single video. I want to hear feedback on everything so I know what to do, what you guys like. And I don't know what to say right now, to be honest with you. Like, this is just so cool. But yeah, got that play button, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
We at the content house. I don't know, where the hell are we going? Oh, good lord.
Bro, you got stripper poles in here? No. What? It's like a superhero. What the heck, bro?
What in the...
Are there like fish in there?
Nice.
So sick.
Stunt set. Set. Full team set. Set. 1, go.